I school you privately. I mean, if you're willing to pay 25,000, and that's if I pick you after I review you as a person. You know what I'm saying? So anybody can actually try to enroll in my one-on-one thing that I'm going to be doing, but that's if I choose you. Nope, I don't need to borrow. I got my own bread. Turning point, I feel like it has to be when I buckled down on my risk management. I buckled down on how I went about dispersing my funds after making profit and going about other investments based on that. That was a turning point. What does it cost to get on your course? Just go on website. Link in bio. Link in bio. Who really thinks that far ahead? That's fucking 10 years. What the fuck? Can't think that far. I can think about tomorrow or next week. 10 years? 5 years? Nah. For what reason? Most people don't even know what the difference between a regulated and unregulated broker means. They look at regulated and like, oh, we have to have that. It's safe. Not really. You won't make any kind of money on a regulated broker like that. Do you have any other sources of income? Yeah, I have about like 8 sources, 9 sources of income like right now, honestly. So shit's crazy. Or redoing some of the Wall Street Academy content. It's always updating. It's always revising on certain things. What works. Why stop it? So it's not a podcast, it's a Q&A. So that's going to be released on New Year's, he says. So look out for that. I recommend FTMO. I mean, if you could use it as a benefit to get to where you want to be, then why not? Personally, it's not going to build you. It's not going to build character. Like when it comes to a person that started from a low amount and then actually eventually got to a big amount. So the person that builds up their capital over time has a lot more character and has a lot more stability than a person that was given or was granted so and so amount of capital. So the person that is going to be starting from here to here is going to be a lot more. You develop certain things that you need to go long term inside of this when you're building your account from is going to be a lot more. You develop certain things that you need to go long term inside of this when you're building your account from the ground up versus being given. You're lacking a lot of certain attributes that could help you out inside the future. Favorite quote. Success is going from failure to failure without losing enthusiasm.